In earlier video, I explained you polynomial and relation between zeros and their coefficient. In this video, I am solving problems based on zeros and their coefficients. So, f of x equals to x square plus x minus 2 and alpha beta are zeros of polynomial. Find value of 1 upon alpha minus 1 upon beta. So, solution. So, sum of the zeros is minus b upon a, so it is minus 1. Product of zeros is c upon a, that is minus 2. Okay. Now, to solve this, it will become alpha beta, beta minus alpha. Okay. So, to get the value of alpha minus beta, actually beta minus alpha, alpha minus beta, both are same. So, to get the value of this, alpha square plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta. Okay. Now, adding and subtracting 2 alpha beta. So, these two and this, alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta, it will become alpha plus beta whole square, and these two will become minus 4 alpha beta. Okay. Now, sum of the value of sum of the zeros is minus 1 whole square and minus 4 into minus 2. So, 1 plus 8. So, it's 9. Okay. So, it is alpha minus beta whole square. So, value of alpha minus beta equals to 3. Okay. So, value of this 1 upon alpha and beta, we will put this value here. So, 1 upon alpha minus 1 upon beta equals to 3 upon minus 2. Okay. So, it's your answer. Now, next question. P of s equals to 3s square minus 6s plus 4. Alpha and beta are roots of polynomial. Find this. Okay. So, first, sum of the zeros, 6 upon 3 minus b upon a means 6 upon 3 means 2 minus 6. Okay. Now, product of the zeros is 4 upon 3, that is c upon a. Okay. Now, put this value here. So, alpha upon beta plus beta upon alpha plus 2, 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta plus 3 alpha beta. So, alpha beta, alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta, beta plus alpha plus 3 alpha beta. Okay. Alpha square plus beta square equals to alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Okay. So, alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta upon alpha beta plus 2 into sum of the zeros. Value of sum of the zeros is 2 and the value of product of the zeros is 4 upon 3 plus 3 into 4 upon 3. 3 and 3 will be cancelled. So, sum of the 2 square minus 2 into 4 upon 3 whole upon 4 upon 3 plus 4 into 3 upon 4 plus 4. 4 will be cancelled. So, here it is 4 minus 8 upon 3 whole upon 4 upon 3. Okay, plus 7. 3 plus 4, 7. So now 4 3s are 12. 12 minus 8, 4. 4 upon 3 whole upon 4 upon 3 plus 7. 4 upon 3 divided by 4 upon 3, they will be cancelled. Directly I am cancelling. So 1 plus 7. So our answer is 8. Okay. So value of this is 8. Now, third question. If alpha and beta are zeros of f of x equals to x square minus px plus q, prove this. Okay. So, solution. Sum of the zeros, that is minus b upon a, so that is p, and product of the zeros q, c upon a, that is q. So I am solving left hand side. So left hand side. Okay. So alpha square plus beta square, alpha square upon beta square plus beta square upon alpha square. Okay. So alpha square, beta square. So it will become alpha power 4 plus beta power 4. Okay. So alpha power 4 plus beta power 4 equals to alpha square plus beta square whole square minus 2 alpha square beta square. Now in last question I told you value of this. So value of this is alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta and square minus 2 alpha beta whole square. Now put these value here. Whole upon alpha square beta square. In this also alpha square beta square. Okay. So now we will put value. P square minus 2q whole square minus 2 alpha beta whole square means q square upon alpha beta whole square means q square. Okay. Now we will expand this. So it will become p power 4 plus 4q square minus 2 2 is a 4 qp square minus 2q square whole upon q square. Okay. So I am writing here. So it will become p power 4 4q square minus 2q square plus 2q square minus 4q minus 4q p square whole upon q square. Okay. So now we can write it as p power 4 upon q square plus 2q square upon q square minus 4qp square upon q square. So p power 4 upon q square minus 4p square upon q plus 2. Okay. Hence it is proved. LHS equals to RHS. Hence it is proved. Okay.